Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing a testing SHEIN makeup. Now when I was shopping on SHEIN for my haul, I saw that they had a bunch of makeup that I thought I would like to try. So I did. I picked it up. Super cheap makeup. I actually really like it, so stay tuned if you want to see this. I give a full honest review of all the products because some are good, some aren't the best, but keep watching and you will find out. Packaging for all of this stuff is super cute. It's like matte. I don't know if you can see, this is a foundation. It's like matte and it's like all like that. It's absolutely stunning. I'll leave the prices down below so you know exactly how much they are because these things were not expensive. So we're just going to give everything a try. I didn't even realise SHEIN had beauty products like makeup, but you know. So I'm not sure what colour this foundation is. Yeah, this is probably going to be a tiny bit too dark for my skin. That's fine because we'll just blend it down the neck. Yeah, this is like tanning foundation. I'm obviously going to give you like an honest review of this too, if it's good coverage. Okay, it feels quite thick. I'm going to need a few pumps to get it down my neck. It's going to be really embarrassing because my chest is going to be so pale too. I hope I put way too much on my hand now. It smells really nice. Like it actually smells like a bit like sun cream. That is so dark. I don't even know if this was the lightest one on the website, but I'll leave them linked down below because I literally just clicked on the first like foundation that I saw and put it in my basket, but they obviously have a lot of different ones, but I just thought I can't be bothered like looking because they'll all practically be the same. Oh wow, I'm so dark. Look at my eyebrows. Yeah, I thought they'll all be the same really, so there's no point in me properly looking. I'll just put whichever in the basket. This foundation is actually really good. It leaves like a really dewy look, but it's such good coverage. Like how good is that, especially when I'm more tanned, but it blends really well. Obviously that is a different colour, but you know. This is the concealer. It comes in a big tube. I like the fact that there's a lot in there. I have opened most of this just to make the video a lot quicker because it was in full packaging and stuff. And this is just like a squirty one, so it's going to be quite hard to apply, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this. I might just squirt it on my face and hope for the best. This feels quite, not necessarily watery, but a little bit watery. That might just be whilst it's on. Girl, you look cute. We'll see how much we've got. I don't even... Oh my god, I put the tiniest bit on and that blends like crazy. That could literally cover like my full face. How embarrassing. I'm not embarrassing, but wow. I mean, that looks stupid. Oh no, that looks stupid now. Note to self, if you get this concealer, note to me, at least it like lightens up my foundation. Use the tiniest dot, as if that spreads so much. That is literally like, I barely put any on. Well, I thought I didn't. I thought that I'd need like loads more. I am like porcelain colour without a tan. So this concealer would probably match my skin tone and it spreads really easily. Like it spreads lovely. It is really nice. This also smells really good. So I would definitely recommend this if you just wanted it as a foundation. The next thing is a powder. This is a loose powder. I think they did like pressed powder, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna bake. I'm just gonna put it all over my face instead. But I like it. It feels good on. It doesn't feel too heavy. You know what, guys? This is actually like really good makeup. So now we are on with contour, and it came in this really big palette. Like how nice is that? It's like a bit like the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. Comes with 6 different shades, so I'm literally just going to use, I might just use this one in the middle to contour with for now and see where we get at. This could go like either terribly wrong. Ooh, that is so nice. I literally just tapped my brush in, so I didn't use too much product. But how nice is that? I actually really am loving this makeup. Doing my nose a bit, I barely like know how to contour. I might just go in a tiny bit with the end one just to bronze up. I love that. That is amazing. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I never used to use blush, but at the minute I've constantly used it like every single day. I like the like burnt look on your face. This is the blush. There are many different shades of blushes too. I just picked this one up. Don't know whether it's because it was the first I saw or just because it looked nice. I'm not sure if I put too much on. Okay, that is stunning. So I tend to like do it on my cheeks, and then I always go onto my nose to make my nose look a bit more burnt. I actually love this. Like, everything is just stunning. I actually can't deal at the minute with how good this actually is. I always go onto eyebrows next, so that's what we are going to do. So I just picked up this like eyebrow pencil kind of thing. It's not really a pencil, you can't actually see it, but it comes with the end and then a spoolie. I don't really like these that much because they're thick at one end and thin at the other, so I find it so hard to do my eyebrows. But we'll just give it a go. Probably just edit me doing my eyebrows out because you literally can't see what I'm doing anyway, because I hold the camera so the mirror super close. So I'm going to give it a brush out and obviously sort out the front, but that is really nice. It's a really nice colour. What colour did I get it in? I got it in the shade Coffee. Obviously I'll leave it linked down below, but I like that. Well, this eyebrow is so annoying. So this eyebrow didn't go that well, but we'll give it a brush out. Obviously it's just my makeup skills that aren't that well, but this eyebrow product is actually really good. We're just going to leave the brows because they're not great. But now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. Now I'm not really sure what look I'm going to go for with this because I thought it was just shimmers, but it's actually not. They are proper glitters, so I don't think I'm going to use the glitters. Some of them, obviously not all of them, but they are really nice. Like, just look at those. There's two little shimmers down there, which we will use. So we're just gonna go for an eye look just to test out the pigment really. So I'm just gonna stick my brush in that one. That is actually really nice. Look at that. Wow. The pigment is insane. I'm just gonna go in with, I might try this whitish one. Wow. Obviously you'll be better with like concealer. That is beautiful. I like it because you can build it up or spread it out. My faces that I put when I'm doing makeup is really bad. I really want to try that pink because it's absolutely gorgeous, but that is pure glitter. That is insane. I'm going to curl my eyelashes because I've not done that just yet. I mean, I haven't bought one from there either. Oh my god, I'm so warm in my room. So the mascara is very jazzy. Like, very jazzy. Look at that. How stunning is that? This was literally the first one that I came across, so I picked it up. It smells very chemically, not gonna lie to you there. Might get an eye infection, but who knows. Okay, first thoughts is it's nice because it doesn't go on too harsh and it doesn't seem to clump my eyelashes up. I actually really like that. So this is the mascara. Obviously I don't really have like great eyelashes to start with, but I think if you want it to look a bit more bolder than that, you just got to keep building up and building up. But it literally doesn't clump your lashes up, which I think is great. So now we are down to our last two products. So I've got a highlighter which is very dark for my skin tone. I didn't realise how dark it was, but this is in gold bronze. I did pick another one up, but I think that one went out of stock, the lighter one, so I picked this one up instead because I couldn't really find any more. But okay, that comes out really nice actually. Ooh, that's lovely. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'll take it back. That's nice. Wow. Okay, don't come out like super like pigmented. I think you've got to build that up too, but that is actually really nice. And finally we're on to lipstick. I got this in the shade Cinnamon because I quite like the nudie kind of looks. So the lipsticks were all really pretty. They all look stunning, like look at that. And it's magnetic. Like what? So this is the colour. So pretty. I usually Vaseline my lips first, but it's fine. Wow, that went on so smooth and so nice. I actually am obsessed with this makeup, like obsessed. Love it. So that is the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Smash this video a huge thumbs up if you maybe want to see me testing more types of makeup brands. And also don't forget to click the little bell so you're notified when I post, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!